Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you're into woodworking, even at a hobbyist level, you know that strong, precise joints are the backbone of any quality build. Today, we're diving into a tool that's flying under the radar for a lot of DIYers, the Rockler Doweling Jig Kit. At $25, it promises to make dowel joinery accessible, repeatable, and accurate without the need for expensive hardware or CNC level precision. I've been putting it to the test across multiple projects, from furniture frames to custom cabinetry, and it's time to see if it really delivers where it counts: accuracy, ease of use, and real-world performance. This isn't just about drilling holes. It's about building stronger, cleaner joints with confidence on a budget. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it performs, where it shines, and the few areas where it could stand to improve. Let's see how this compact little jig handles the demands of a working wood shop. When it comes to joining wood pieces accurately and cleanly, the Rockler Doweling Jig Kit has become one of my go-to tools in the shop. Right out of the box, I was impressed with its solid build. Durable nylon body with steel bushings gives it that professional-grade feel without breaking the bank at $25. The dual edge stops are a standout feature. They make registration against mating surfaces intuitive and repeatable. Whether I'm working on cabinet face frames or aligning shelf supports, these stops take the guesswork out of positioning. Plus, the open window design lets me see exactly where the drill bit is in relation to my layout line, which adds a layer of confidence most jigs in this price range don't offer. It's simple, well-thought-out engineering that just works when you need it to. I've tested this jig on both edge joints and surface-to-surface applications, and in both cases, it delivers solid results. I recently built a set of bookcases using dowel joinery, partly to see how this jig would handle a real-world project. After marking my alignment lines clearly on both pieces, clamping the jig securely, and setting the depth with the included stop collar, the holes came out clean and consistent. Once I drove the dowels home with glue, the joints were rock solid, just the kind of structural integrity you want in furniture. It's not designed for T-joints, which is something to keep in mind, but for edge and face joining, it's surprisingly capable. The included 3/8 drill bit and hex wrench round out a surprisingly complete package for the price. One area where the jig shines is ease of use. Even if you're relatively new to doweling, this tool won't leave you frustrated. The edge stops make alignment repeatable, and the bushings guide the bit straight every time, assuming your drill is held vertically. That said, I did notice that if you're not careful with your drilling technique, there's a slight chance of the hole not being perfectly square, though that feels more like user error than a flaw in the jig itself. Where I do have a real critique is the stop collar. It uses a set screw that clamps onto the bit, and I found it can slip after a few uses if not tightened just right. On a longer session, I ended up swapping it out for a compression-style collar I already had, which gripped the bit all the way around and stayed put. It's a small flaw, but one that could frustrate someone relying solely on the included hardware. What really sells me on this jig is how much it improves the quality of my work without requiring advanced skills. Before using this, my dowel joints were functional but not always precise. Misaligned holes meant tapping pieces together awkwardly, or worse, visible gaps. Now, the joints line up so cleanly it feels like cheating. I especially appreciate how close together the three-hole guides are spaced, great for narrow rails or stiles. That said, if you're working with especially tight material, the fixed spacing might limit you, and I could see wanting the holes a bit closer for more compact joinery. It's not a deal breaker, but if you frequently work with narrow stock, it's worth measuring your typical pieces against the jig's footprint. Overall, the Rockler Doweling Jig Kit strikes an excellent balance between affordability, quality, and functionality. For under $30, you're getting a tool that performs like it costs twice as much. Sure, the stop collar could be better, and the design doesn't support every joint type, but for the vast majority of face and edge joints, it delivers accurate, repeatable results. I've used pricier jigs that didn't feel significantly more precise, so unless you're doing high volume production work, this one covers nearly all the bases. If you're looking to step up your joinery game without stepping deep into your wallet, this jig is absolutely worth a look. I'm not exaggerating when I say it's made a noticeable difference in both the strength and appearance of my projects. If you're ready to nail your next woodworking project with precision and confidence, then it's time to add the Rockler Doweling Jig Kit to your toolkit. Don't just drill holes, make strong, seamless joints. And if you want more reviews that help you build smarter, hit like and subscribe. Let's build something great together, one solid joint at a time.